Hey guys, today we're going to make a whiskey punch. This is prepared and served like a planter's punch, and I don't remember if we've done that, but it's also prepared and served like a yacht club punch, and I'm almost certain we've done that before. So, starting off, we have 1 part Curaçao. This thing will be pretty. 2 parts lemon juice. Since I did the small part for the Curaçao, this will be just the big guy. It's all splatting everywhere. Splat, splat, splat. And then 3 parts whiskey. We're going to use Gentleman Jack because we're classy like that. And it's 3 parts, so it's going to be 1 tall and 1 small. Oh. Then you fill this guy up with ice. Oh god, I'm making such a mess. I just got that all over my shirt. Alright, that's probably good. Jeez. And the last step is you take some charged water, i.e. sparkling water, just plain, and top her off. Just as I suspected. It's cute to look at. So this is a whiskey punch. Wanna go first?
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh, it's good. It's really good. That's a recommend for sure. Ooh, dang.
Ooh, punch!
Yeah, it has got a bit of a sour.
Oh, that's great. So, if you want to get real fancy and you have actual lemons instead of just lemon juice, you could do just the juice of 1 lemon and then cut pieces of it off and put it on the rim. And that would look real, nice to look at. Just do that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This thing is for videos. This thing is for either going to the channel or subscribing. I don't really know what this one does, but it's round and it has our name.